What is going on, folks? Welcome back to an episode. Today I got me a MOKiN 16-in-1 docking station that I can use for my laptop right here. Now, I do a lot of video editing, and so one of these is super helpful for someone like me who plugs in tons of different external hard drives, and at the same time I need to charge my laptop as well. Anyway, MOKiN contacted me and asked me if I want to try this thing out because they said that this will actually support all of my needs. And at the same time, it has a little LED display on there. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Now, this is my first time seeing this, so you're along for the ride. They sent me some specs for it, but that's all that I know about this thing, okay? All right, let's see here. Some booklets. Well, let's grab this box first because I believe tons of accessories are in here. Oh, well, just two main components. One is USB-C to USB-C. I'm pretty sure this USB-C cord is very powerful. And then this is the charging cord right here, which tells you how powerful this thing is. This thing is definitely weighted. Move that. Okay, so for the ports, you guys got 4 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A port. Now, I believe this one right here is a USB 3.0 because it has a 10 gigabit label on there. So, yeah. These 2 USB-C as well, 10 gigabits. So I'm going to be plugging in my external hard drive, which I have like an enclosure that does, super fast USB-C. I will be using those right here. All right. And then over here, there's some indication that says that this has power to it as well. And so this is probably something that you'll want to use to like charge your device and things like that. If you have an iPad, you can use it to charge. There's a power button over here, by the way, which I guess is useful. I'll think about that. Okay, so then on the back, you got 2 HDMI ports. So they did mention to me in the email that this does support 2 dual monitor, right? So HDMI 1, HDMI 2 over there. So you get that, and also Ethernet. That's nice to have because I actually would love to, when I dock my laptop in, I want it to be like connected to the Ethernet, so it will be super fast. You got your USB back here. That's actually is labeled for mouse and keyboard, which is pretty cool. I mean, I guess you can use it in front here as well, but it's nice that they also have one over here. And this one right here, this is the USB-C cord that would plug to here, and it goes into your laptop. So this is gonna, power your laptop and things like that. It will charge your laptop to that port right there. All right, so that's the ports. Let's go ahead and plug it in and test it out. Okay, guys, so right now I have everything plugged in. Ignore my cord. I didn't have time to kind of clean that up, but I just wanted to demo this thing to you guys, okay, as is. The brick is actually sitting back here, so I'm going to show you what I'm seeing right now. So right now, it's actually showing me how much wattage is coming through everything right here. It's about 90 watts, I would say. It's fluctuating back and forth. So I would say an average about 90 watt that's coming through everything. So that's pretty nice that you're able to see all of that. And I press that button and I get a familiar interface because I've seen this interface before with their other products. But you're seeing that, there you go, 85, 70 watt, that's going to the computer. And then you can actually get a readout of all of these other USB-C port right here, which is really nice. If I were to plug, let's say I were to use this over on this USB-C port right here, which is for this monitor, I believe. I want to go ahead and remove that and move it over here too. So everything's going to get booted up again. So once everything boot up, you can see that, one of them is using about 10 watt, the other one is using about 8 watt. And the computer itself is actually doing great at about 90 watts still. Then you press the button again and you can actually see like the megahertz that's coming out of this, what resolution is coming out of these monitors that I have sitting right here, which is very, very useful information for me. Because I'm always wondering, like, is it displaying 1080? Look at this. My HDMI 2 over here is displaying like 4K. Which HDMI 2 is, which monitor is this? So HDMI 2 is coming from this 4K monitor right here. This is KYY monitor that I just got in. It displays 4K and is a portable monitor. And the beauty about this is that this thing is showing me exactly that. It's showing me that it's displaying 4K, 60 hertz. The other one is displaying 1080. Yeah, I mean, very, very useful information in my opinion for something like this. And obviously on your desk, it's gonna look super cool. right? So yeah, guys, independent display monitors, 160 watt power output. That means that it's charging my laptop at the same time it's powering these two monitors right here as well. Anyway, there you have it. That's the MOKiN 13-in-1 docking station. That's huge. I haven't even tried all the Ethernet and things like that, but anyway, you guys get the point. Pretty cool stuff right here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.